Swan Vinegar. Pinaasim ng panahon. Pinaasim sa natural na paraan. Walang halong asido. Gigising mo pagkapanahon na. Silver Swan Vinegar. Sukang puti o canned vinegar. Ang sukang natural. Pinaasim ng panahon. Subukan mo ang asim ng Silver Swan Vinegar. Panahon na.
We've got primetime animation. Transformers, a futuristic intergalactic combat between the Autobots and the Decepticons. Tuesday nights at 7:30. She-Ra, the most powerful woman in the universe. Tuesday nights at 8. Challenge of the GoBots. High-tech animation coupled with computer-powered animation. Thursday nights at 7:30. Pac-Man, the three-dimensional video game turned primetime top-rated cartoon series. Sunday nights at 6:30. Primetime animation. It's Kid Power on BBC2.
Stallone.
Do you know you have an attitude problem?
Yeah, but it's just a little one. He's a cop called Cobra.
Inihahandog ang pelikulang ito
Para po sa lahat ng mga bata at